This is an introduction to Fiber AI by Vizaport, used by telecom sales and marketing teams to get quotes, plan networks and find potential customers. The general assistant can be used to ask any question. It will search the internet for the answer, leveraging the power of AI. It can also be used to guide you to the correct assistant to use in Fiber AI, if you don't know what option to select in the main menu. Let's now review our quote assistant, with two options to find carriers. One is address search, which allows you to enter a location and select options for a quote. The second option is quote text, utilizing AI to parse text for the location and options. In the results, the first section are carriers in your partner network, providing immediate quotes. The second section are all available carriers near that location. Next, we'll review the Plan Assistant in the main menu and its options for TAM analysis and last mile. Each begins with a location, entered as an address or coordinates. TAM analysis is used to understand the addressable market and build a business case. Red lines on the map indicate your existing network. One of the options on the map is the ability to draw a line to expand the network and determine potential revenue and cost. Another option is the polygon feature, allowing you to draw an area on the map that you may be interested to expand your network, perhaps into a commercial zone or a residential neighborhood. Using this feature will identify the buildings within that area and plan your routes and splice points. Potential buildings are highlighted in purple, proposed route lines in blue and splice points as red dots. And there's a toggle to expand the map to full screen. Below the map, you'll find high-level calculations for potential revenue and costs. You may edit these assumptions by clicking the numbers, such as cost per foot, or your estimated market share. From here, you can ask the AI for help to analyze your data. Ask it to generate graphs, determine the payback period and much more. Another option in Plan is Last Mile. While TAM analysis is a high-level estimate, Last Mile is the detailed estimate. Given an address, the AI can plan the last mile route to your nearest splice point, using your detailed costing rules. And everything can be modified by engineers as needed, such as splice point, route or variable and fixed costs. Above the map, in addition to the full screen toggle or options to save the data in your history, download as KML or toggle to 3D mode using Google Earth data. Let's look at this network now in 3D. Let's look at another common last-mile planner scenario where multiple addresses are requested by a large enterprise customer or a wireless carrier looking for cell sites. Last Mile has the ability to process a spreadsheet of locations, doing the same calculations we saw earlier for a single address, but now in bulk, providing a table of results for each location. Finally, we'll review the Prospect Assistant, used to find potential customers anywhere across the US. When you provide your network information, the assistant is enhanced to filter prospects near your network, shown on the map as blue dots. Use the AI to filter the results further based on known data about these prospects. Click on the blue dot to get tenant information, including company name, phone number and website. Select Get Contacts to get employee information for that company. Search by title or name to get an email or phone number for that specific contact. If you choose the Save icon, or Download icon, you'll get the results in a table of all companies and contacts that you have filtered. For saved data, go to Files in the left menu for anything you have saved. You'll see the table has information for each filtered company, including the company's distance to your network. If we click on Prospect again, notice an option to use your own spreadsheet. If you have a spreadsheet with additional information about customers, it will be plotted onto the map with a green dot this time. Clicking it will show a pop-up with your additional data. This information can be used by the AI, for example filtering a company based on number of employees. And finally, let's create a proposal for all companies in our list. In this example, we'll modify the prompt with our terms and ask it to create a proposal for all companies. After selecting our proposal template, the AI creates a unique proposal for each company in our list. It can be downloaded or sent to the customer directly by email. Find prospects, design routes, and get quotes, all powered by Fiber AI.